Hey guys, what's up? And Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are the insane rivals of the iPhone X, and Samsung will break the heart of Apple as harder as they can in the upcoming days. And the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are going to be released on 29 February 2018, and it's going to be an insane smartphone. So the Galaxy S9 retail box has been leaked, and on the box you can see that it's having a 5.8-inch full rectangular display as we have discussed it earlier, and you can see that they're having the round corners, quad edge, Super AMOLED screen, which we can see on the Samsung Galaxy S8, Note 8 as usual on the S7 Edge in the previous year. So the main highlighted feature of the S9 is the super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel with optical image stabilization camera with f1.5 aperture and f2.4 aperture. So this is the most interesting part of Samsung, that Samsung is going to have a super speed dual pixel technology. So I don't know this much technology, but I can confirm you that this technology is insane, and the autofocus of this technology is going to be very fast because you having a f1.5 aperture and a dual pixel super speed camera technology. So the f1.5 aperture is very handy in the low light performance, and it's having a f2.4 aperture. So I don't know very much about the f2.4 feature, but the f1.5 feature is going to be insane. Below that you can see that it's going super slow-mo. So super slow-mo is a feature that you can record a slow-mo motion video at 94 fps. So this is a very good feature. So I think that this is a new feature for Samsung Galaxy S9 because it's having Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset. So this is a very super slow-mo video you can record on the Samsung Galaxy S9, which you cannot record on the iPhone X. So this is a new feature from Samsung. On the front you're having a 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera, stereo speaker turned by AKG. So this is the first ever smartphone from Samsung here having the AKG stereo speakers. So it's having two speakers, and you can see the stereo speaker on the iPhone X as well as on the Pixel 2 XL. As usual, the Samsung Galaxy S9 is also IP68 water and dust resistant, having the iris scanner, 64 gigs of memory with 4 gigs of RAM. And yes, the Samsung Galaxy S9 will having a 4 gigs of RAM, and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus will having a 6 gigs of RAM. And also the S9 Plus is having a dual camera while the S9 is having a single camera. So the dual pixel technology is on the Samsung Galaxy S9, while the Samsung Galaxy S9 having a dual camera with also a super speed dual pixel technology. So this is a difference between Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Wireless charging, earphone turned by AKG. So the Samsung is going to put the AKG wireless headphone in the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus boxes. So this is a new product from Samsung, that Samsung is going to put a wireless AKG headsets on the retail box of Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So you can pay the Apple for the Apple AirPods about $150, and this is so expensive. So Samsung to put the AKG wireless headphone in the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus retail box. So I am very excited of the S9 and S9 Plus because I am going to check out the AKG wireless sound. So this is a very awesome news. So at the last you can see that Samsung has give us a message. So Samsung written that measured diagonally the screen size is 5.8 in the full rectangular and 5.6 with accounting for the round corner. Available memory capacity is subjected to preload software. For more information on your device, please visit www.samsung.com. So we don't visit this website yet. So when the Samsung Galaxy S9 will and S9 Plus will release, so we have to check out the website. So you can see that it's having a 5.6-inch display and 2-inch of the bezels. So the bezels are much thicker than the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. So yeah guys, this is the news and the retail box of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section about the Samsung Galaxy S9 specification and the new dual pixel technology of their camera with f1.5 and f2.4 aperture. And yeah guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.